This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the RM Sotheby's Hershey auction. We're checking out this 41 Ford Super Deluxe Convertible. Just a fine little car. I'm still looking for a 42. But I captured this 41 just to be on the safe side. I know it's not a 42, but still is a very fine car. Look at a radio. All the modern plastic. That was an exotic material. All the plastic trim there. I like the way how they style that right in. The pinstriping on the wheels. This is the car which would take us through the war. Of course, February 42, the civilian production stopped for World War II. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2019 RM Sotheby's Hershey auction. Check out this 41 Super Deluxe Ford Convertible. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.